All right, so the patch is on the wall. That 4-inch patch, I just cut it in half, covered up this side, covered up this side. And now we're gonna make it flat. Some just quick spackling, like a fluffy, kind of feels like that marshmallow fluff. To make it flat, then let it sit, sand it, and then she'll be ready for painting. So I've now got spackle up on the wall. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more over here. It's a little wonky. This one looks okay-ish. I might do another layer once that's set, just to kind of see. That way I can get it all leveled out. That way there's no more of the ridges. That way when I do go to paint, it will be less noticeable that there's a patch there. And we'll go from there. All right. So I finished leveling out this backling to repair the holes from the towel hanger that the previous owner had hanging right in front of a cabinet. Makes perfect sense. So those are done up and drying. The next stage, we'll be sanding them to prepare the wall for paint. So I've finished the sanding, all nice and smooth, all nice and smooth. Now I just have to pick a paint color, and we'll get you a video once I've got that going on.